So the next legs should be difficult because we are in Mediterranean and the wind is really shifty in this area. We can see it's a really small wind, so no more of 10 knots, 10 or 15, and it dropped a lot of time. We have to cross the Gulf of the Lion, of Lions, and the Mediterranean is really strong wind, or is really light, and we expect the next leg is quite light. As what we see since 5-6 years, the weather model it's more and more precise. So, but we don't have this precise model everywhere. So, we're near the coast is really perfect. We can see the sea breeze and what time it turns and what time it drops. In the middle of the Mediterranean is maybe not the same. So it's not part of luck, but we have really to be focused on where is the pressure, and sometimes you have to go left 500 meters and you keep the pressure, or you lost it, and it make a big gap between these two positions. It was a hard finish, but well, we feel we know we don't have the speed, but we come here to learn about how fast is the boat, and we keep going to go in this way. We have 5 other boats to look, and we try to grow up with this boat and to understand what we have to do for the next of this year's modification, because it's prototype and sometimes you make a small change and you make a big gap in speed. So we are here to learn, and sometimes we take a choice and we go to the end of this choice because we want to be sure we leak all the angles. So we know sometimes we are here like a training, so it's for that. For Corum, we feel good when it's really medium to heavy wind, because it's really powerful boat. We see it's quite massive. It's a typical boat. So it's 1K boat. 1K you have to push hard to go fast. And we see when in the Strait of Gibraltar we are quite a good speed, upwind, in strong wind. So for sure when it's less of 10 knots we are not to our advantage, and the boat is not built to sail in less of 10 knots. But I remember in the last Volvo Ocean race when we are in light wind with the ABN AMRO boat, we are stuck, and when the wind was good we are a lot of faster, and this 1K design is like that, and it's good for crossing the Atlantic, that's for sure. I'm not surprised because 65 we see the crew on board. The level of the boat handling is not the same. Us, in IMOCA class, what we want is to go fast in straight line, and we don't put so much priority to make a good maneuver, to be nice in crew, because we sail in single. And it's the first call for IMOCA 60 is to go fast with 18 knots of wind, 120. Wind angle. It's built to make the Vendée Globe, and the call when we steering the boat is that. In the Volvo 65 it's different. It's legs race, inshore race, fully crew, so the deck is not the same. The sail is not the same also. In the light wind it's a bigger sail because it's more people to manage it, and it's different, 2 different way and 2 different race. So it's for that. But I'm not surprised, because when you see Team Mercury training all the winter in Cascais, it's for sure it's not the same of us when we drop the boat in the water 1 week before the start. And it's 2 different class, and we see Volvo 65, it's a complete boat. It goes fast in light, strong wind, upwind, downwind. It's 10 people on board, so that's made also a difference. I think to do the ocean race next year, you should have a boat designed for it. If you make a IMOCA to do this race, you have to do 11 hours, is to take a boat and to think about what is the life on board for 10 people and to make 10 legs around the world. And it's not the same call when you start to drawing the boat with the designer. So after it's interesting to see two different concepts, but for the Volvo Ocean Race, it's the first call is fully crew 10 legs. So how we manage that. The target is to learn. We know it may be hard because it's light wind, but what we want is to sail properly, make good maneuvers, good spirit on board, and at the end we see the result. We see Mediterranean, a lot of things can happen. Last legs, we are close to be first again a few hours before the finish. So it's never finished. It's not just about speed. It's also to be in the right spot if we can do it.